Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the afternoon daily weather briefing video. I'm James Spann. This is for Thursday, the 28th of July. It's hot, it's humid, a few showers around. However, we think the coverage of the showers and storms will be increasing beginning tomorrow over the northern quarter of the state, and a pretty good chunk of the state should see at least one or two showers or storms over the weekend. But the weekend, not a washout, and it will not rain everywhere. You know, we don't make promises here in the summertime with rain. Here's a look at the upper air chart, and I promise it's a different look or a different map, but it's the same look. It looks like this most of the summer, ridging across the deep south back into the Pacific Northwest, where they're baking today. The jet stream on top of the heat ridge. There's a look at the visible satellite view this afternoon, a field of cumulus clouds. Some of those have grown into showers, but not many. That was the radar composite about 2:30, as I'm doing the update live here. The bulk of the showers and storms near and just north of Interstate 10 in extreme South Alabama and the Florida Panhandle, and a few spotty showers over the rest of the state, but again, many places are dry. Heat levels about where they should be for this time of the year. We've got mostly low to mid-90s. Those observations at 2:15, 92 for Anniston and Gadsden, Birmingham at 93, Tuscaloosa 95, and pretty similar observations all across the southeast United States. Here's the watch warning map for the rest of this afternoon. We have heat advisories west of the state. And again, this is a Weather Service criteria function here. This is where the heat index is expected to touch 105, and we have the heat index for parts of the Mississippi Delta, back into parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, and northeastern Texas. Again, heat problems back in the Pacific Northwest, flash flood watches for much of the southwest United States. It's the monsoon season there. And also we note a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of the northeast United States, where there is a slight risk, that's level 2 out of 5, of severe storms for the rest of today and tonight. A marginal risk extending southward along a surface front. That marginal risk includes much of Tennessee and Kentucky through tonight. And then tomorrow, the marginal risk kind of noses down into the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. And where you see the darker green on that map, some of the storms tomorrow could produce strong straight-line winds. No tornado threat, and that's where the better chance of storms will be. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, we don't expect any organized severe weather, but there should be a marked increase in the number of scattered showers and storms across the state, especially the northern two-thirds of the state. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals over the northern counties, where amounts there could exceed 2 inches. Amounts generally under 1/2 inch for the south. And of course, as we always say, in summertime, your amount will vary. Tropics, again today, very quiet. Sinking air motion, subsidence, and dry air preventing tropical storm formation at least for the next 5 days. But August is here next week. We'll see how things change out there in coming weeks. But model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Troughing moving into the northeast United States. Still got the ridge here. There's a surface boundary north of the state. And again, the better chance of scattered storms tomorrow should be over the northern quarter of the state. That would be along and north of US 278. There's a chance of a storm everywhere in the summer here, but the better opportunity should be over North Alabama. And where they do form, they could be strong. Otherwise, partly sunny with low 90s tomorrow. And this is day 3 Saturday. So again, we should see a definite increase in the number of showers and storms statewide. Scattered to numerous showers and storms, but not raining all day and not raining everywhere. A mixture of clouds and sunshine with highs in the upper 80s in many areas. Heat levels coming down a bit because of the increased cloud cover. Sunday evidenced the higher coverage of showers and storms over the northern half of the state. High Sunday would be 88 to 92. Pretty much the same thing as we head into next week. This is Monday. Tuesday evidence we could see a better chance of showers and storms statewide, but these little small-scale variations that make these green splotches, they're very hard to identify days in advance. This is Wednesday of next week. Looks pretty quiet. And a week from today, and again, this is where things happen here. This is in the upper levels. We're looking for slight variations in wind fields and temperatures up here. And again, the ridge in place firmly next week. This is, again, Thursday, the 4th, and again, partly sunny, hot, humid, scattered afternoon and evening storms. Very standard weather. I promise we'll break out of this sometime in September, but it's that time of the year where things just don't change much. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 7th of August. The nastiest heat, if this verifies, would be around Chicago. That's a 597 ring up there. That'd be pretty hot for Chicago, Indianapolis, Detroit. But down here again, highs in the 90s, hot, humid, scattered storms. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS Ensemble. Again, the mean is holding between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 13th of August. Heat levels coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. Every day they've got us between 89 and 92, which is pretty good because we all know in August we can be broiling here. Morning lows mostly in the middle 70s. And hot off the presses. Got the brand new 8 to 14 day outlook just in. This is for August 5th through August 11th. Temperatures below average back in the southwest. Temperatures around here probably a little above average. Looks like the most intense heat could be a bit to the north. So that's it today. A couple of quick notes here. Had a great time in Haleyville today. I was at the public library doing a program for kids and the parents, but I will be back in Haleyville day after tomorrow on Saturday. At the Bliss Bistro downtown. In fact, I walked right by the bistro this morning, but I will be there between 10 and 1. We have big crowds at these things. We have a lot of fun. All of the stuff we have, it's available. Weathering Life. All you can do is pray, which is the book I wrote about April 27, 2011. Our new book for kids, weather book for children, is great, called Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. All the T-shirts and the hats and all the weather dweeb stuff. So come see us. We have so much fun at these things. We take a pile of pictures and have a lot of fun. So again, that is Saturday in Haleyville between 10 and 1. I hope to see you there. That's it for this briefing video. We'll have the next one here tomorrow morning about 5:30. We have notes on our blog, alabamawx.com. If you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.